This is a French Eiffel Tower photo banner I was sent to review from Sumain's store, so let's take a look. It's huge! About 72 inches wide, 43 inches high. A really gorgeous scene. I absolutely love it. You've got the pink pop of color on the butterfly and the trees. Everything else is kind of a gray and black. You've got the Notre Dame, the Eiffel Tower. The Arc de Triomphe is kind of faded back there. It's made of a durable polyester, printed on one side, but it does kind of go through to the other side. Just a little bit lighter on the back side, but it is nice on both sides. Kind of looks and feels like a fabric shower curtain. There's a metal grommet on each of the 4 corners, so you can easily hang it up. It comes with 20 feet of ribbon. You could hang it with the ribbon they include. You could use your own rope or string. You could even use nails and stuff like that. Really flexible how you hang this up. You could also just use painter's tape or something to tape it to a wall for more of a temporary, non-damaging thing. The print and color quality is amazing. Really impressed. It's just gorgeous for a photo backdrop, for a room decoration, for a tablecloth, any of these things. It would be awesome. It's tear resistant. It is very lightweight. It is washable, easy to fold up and store away or take it with you somewhere. I really love this. If you have a France or Paris or Europe loving kid or teen, or you're having a Paris themed tea party or something fun, this is perfect. I just love this and know you will too.